Alrighty, it's time for another 1,000 days of thankfulness, and today comes from December 26, 2017, and day 59 is the sound of bells. Um, they're just, I don't know, beautiful, really. And they always seem cheery, of jingle bells, and I don't know, just the tinkling sound of bells. It just strikes good memories in my mind. And what it was like, on Christmas morning as a child. Um, I just get those memories, and so that's why I enjoy them. So the sound of bells, they bring back good memories for me. So yeah, that's it for today, and I will see you all tomorrow. Bye.